Her name is Carolina and she's a songwriter, just like Taylor. How many songs have you written so far?
Oh, more than 200,
Two
I
songs?
think.
I would love to
200?
hear it. Mike, after nung nag-Bangkok kami, pumunta siya ng Cambodia kasi palagala talaga siya is babalik daw siya ng Bangkok and he would stay for 2 months there. So yun yung kagandahan kasi guys sa mga freelancer, you can bring your work with you. So kahit saan ka man sa mundo, as long as mayroong internet, pwede ka mag-work. So super crowded yung so marami nagsasayawan. It was really fun guys. I think everyone should experience it. Ako nagdala ng towel guys, sobrang init dito sa taas, promise. Kailangan nyo rin daw magdala ng tubig. Mabilis daw ma-dehydrate yung mga tao sa itong init. Ito tayong monument dito. So this is the station 2. Mas maganda dito sa station 2. Kami guys yung may sanctuary of truth. Maganda pala siya talaga sa personal. Sama ko yung mga ka-tour. Mga Bisaya din sila, di ba? Bisaya kayo. Ayan.
A woman with a belt on and arm holding a rice.
Paano na kami sa stairs? 66 steps daw. So, bibigyan sa mga helmet. So, dati yung helmet ko nung nagsisiman pa. So, I have new friends from Poland. So, surprisingly, they're Swifties. So, when is the Eras tour in Poland?
It's from 1st till, I think, 4th of August.
August. Okay.
Yes, but it's sold out, so...
Oh no,
obviously.
because my best friend hasn't attended the concert yet. He's planning to go on London, but
I think
it's
he's
all
signed
sold
on
out.
the list as a
Yeah.
fan.
The biggest question is, what stand are you? Era stand. What era do you belong?
I'm fearless.
Yes, obviously, you look like a fearless era. Me, I'm 1989.
Wow.
Yeah,
He
so
has to choose one.
I really don't know what you're talking
Oh my
about.
God. Her name is Carolina and she's a songwriter, just like Taylor. How many songs have you written so far?
Oh, more than 200,
2 songs. I would love to
200.
hear it.
But I
Yeah, you
have
should
like,
send it to me.
I have few on YouTube, but they're like few.
Oh, you're a YouTuber as well.
I mean, not
I do
really
vlogs, but I
YouTuber.
upload it on Facebook instead of YouTube because I haven't earned so much on YouTube.
Finish that part. However, as you go inside, you're going to see some parts of the woods with all the hills.
Guys, before kami papasok dun sa may sanctuary. May payong sa guys park. Nakita ko sa pictures ni wala silang helmet. Pero ngayon, bakit may helmet? Kasi may ginagawa pala. Tingnan mo.
For the rain. Now let me show you another decoration here before I take you to the other side. Over here, it's decorated with Ramayana epic. And that reflects the truth of human life, that in every society, there's always good and bad. Up there, they always say that they feel like they're a royalty. Like one time, princess, prince, king, or queen. Isn't that amazing?
Alright guys, so ito na nga kami. Papasok na kami sa temple. Napaka-instagrammable ng place. So far.
Elements over there, over here, makes us all equally the same and balanced. Therefore, everyone,
Malaki siya compared sa mga pictures. It's very overwhelming and the smell is very exotic. Dun sa taas. Sa labas.
and it also represents the concept of the cycle of the concept of we are born to die and nobody can escape death. This King Ramanai, he is a former king of Thailand. He is dead already, but he dedicated his life. He sacrificed all his life for the welfare of Thai people.
morals ng Thai culture. Actually, it's very interesting kasi parang similar lang din siya sa Christianity at some point. Yung about sa proverbs, about sa being good, and what is bad, ano yung mga iiwasan ng mga principles of life.
They gave birth to us, taking care of us, provide us education, teach us how to be a good person.
Parang kasi parang naging best friend ko na yung tourist guide namin. Nabantay na kasi ako lagi nahuhuli sa waiting time. Tagal kasi ako mag-take ng pictures eh. Yeah, you just... This is our next destination. Punta kami daw sa garden, guys. So kasama ko pa rin yung mga group namin. Ito kami ngayon sa this wonderful garden. Pala dito, guys.
ด้านนี้เป็นบุคคลของไทยเรา แล้วส่วนสะพานก็โซนนี้แล้วที่คุณลูกค้าเห็นเป็นสะพานสกายวอล์กนะครับผมแล้วก็ต้นกระบองเพชรยักษ์นะครับผมหรือเรียกว่าไทยปักนะครับ
Ito yung pinakamagandang garden. Nakita ko sa buong buhay.
ส่วนในโซนนี้นะผมจะเป็นสับปะรดสีนะครับผม